We're here today to represent the South Wales Miners Museum, which has been established since 1974, run with volunteers for that length of time, and it's quite a successful museum. We've had many visitors from all over the world come to see the museum, and the input that they've had from members have been immense. We're both volunteers, and I've been at the museum for 20 years now. Originally, I was the treasurer, but I've relinquished that duty, so that's taken a lot of weight off my shoulders. But I still get involved in the museum, and luckily, we've obviously been sponsored by the Walters Group for our clothing, and we are very pleased of what we have achieved from the Walters Group. I spoke to Rodri, the site agent here, and I put a letter together, which it went through obviously to management of the Walters Group, and they sanctioned the spending on the clothing that we required, and they bought 25 outfits for us.
They come down, they showed interest in our place, and well, I can say about the Walters Group, Elwyn come and sorted the clothing out, but they give us everything. But I remember coming here one day and we wanted pallets, and I went to talk to the gent, because everything we've got to buy in, and we've imagine pallets now for us, they had 100 here, and we left Walters down, to be honest, because we didn't come and take as much as we wanted to take. So they're forever helpful, they look forward looking, and they'll help anybody.
And on behalf of the museum, I would like to thank Walters, and on the launch of our clothing, we will certainly invite the powers that be of Walters to come along and have a couple of hours with us in the museum.
And another thing, we won't charge them.